What's up, it's Roy here. So today I have one of the most requested videos after I posted my review of the Caudabe sheath case, and this is the Caudabe Synthesis case. Now this is a direct competitor of each other because this seems like it's the constant battle between the sheath and the Synthesis. So I'm going to show you the Synthesis in this video, and then I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison in another video here in just a little bit. But with the Synthesis here, it is a $40 case from Caudabe that is very similar to the sheath case. So with this, it's for the iPhone 14 Pro. Now they do make it for all of the iPhone 14 lineup. So if you're interested, just go to Caudabe's website, which I'll link down in the description. Now this is the black one, as you can see here. So with the packaging, looks very similar to the sheath packaging, as you can see here. You have a picture of the phone case, and then the information about Synthesis. Now for the drop protection, you're getting 6.6 feet. It is MagSafe compatible, and it does have a protective screen lip. So let's go ahead and get this pulled out. But you just lift it up, and there we go. So we got some information here. So talking about their 1-year hassle-free warranty. You do get 30 days as well to return or exchange, and they're very quick to reply. Just FYI, I have had to reach out to them before and got it the same day. Now here is the case itself. So if you're looking at it, you would be like, hey, that looks almost like the sheath, and it kind of does, but it really doesn't. So with this, has a little bit different texture on the back. It's still a very grippy material, but it is very similar, but a little different than the sheath. We do have some Caudabe branding here, and then on the interior, that's the look. A little bit different once again, but as you can see, you got the MagSafe rings there, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy put on. I always like to start with the volume side first with the 14 Pros, and there it is. So there is the case installed on my Space Black 14 Pro. And like I said, this back is fantastic. It's very slim and lightweight. The camera bump is quite a bit different though versus the sheath. So you have this kind of extended out camera protection here, but it is a very hard plastic, so it looks pretty nice as well. But it is a slim lip, so even though it sticks up and it protects it, you can see it is very slim. But once again, that back has a great texture to it. Now looking on the side here, it's the same thing. We have this really great texture, but they've added this dot matrix grip kind of pattern here that is absolutely fantastic. Super, super grippy. We got a raised power button, which is great. The bottom, we have our cutouts nicely done for the lightning port and our speakers down below. And then you can kind of see too, it does lip up just a tiny bit right here above the port. On this side, kind of the same thing, right? We got that grippy pattern here with that dot matrix pattern, volume up and down buttons that do have a plus and minus, and a little bit of black high gloss around them as well, as you can see with the light. A rectangular shape cutout there for the alert slider, and then that's kind of the look looking from the top. So you can see it sticks out just a tiny bit, but we'll see how wobbly it is in the shake test. Now looking at the front, as you can see, we do have some raised lips like it said on the front of the packaging. So definitely going to protect your screen. And then looking at it from the front, guys, you can see how slim those bezels are. So it's not a giant case, it's super, super slim. And then that's kind of the look of the top. So you can kind of see how it just cuts out just a little bit above the speaker grill. And it is tempered glass friendly, FYI, as well. Now going to the actual kind of little shake wobble test, face down, no shake at all. Back down, there's definitely a shake when you hit it in that corner, which is opposite of the camera bump. But like on the sides and the bottom, there is none. But the 14 Pros tend to be very wobbly when you hit it from the opposite side. Now let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's do the power button first. And volume up and down. Okay, so buttons are very tactile, so no issues at all there. Now let's go ahead and see how easy it is to get to that alert slider. So let's just kind of go back and forth, do our thing. As you can see, guys, super simple. So no issues at all with the alert slider access. It's super easy. I barely was using my fingernails. And then last but not least, let's go ahead and grab my MagSafe charger here, slap it on. And as you can hear and see, it is MagSafe charging compatible. So no issues at all with that. The magnets are very strong. So as you can see there, it just finds it, it holds, and it's a very strong connection. Like, I mean, it's super strong. I'm there, finally got it to do that, but you're never going to fall into that issue. So with car accessories in your vehicle, it's going to hold up like a champ. I've been using this off and on between the sheath and this case and some others. And I can tell you right now, it works completely fine in my car. And I've been down some very bumpy roads, so definitely works very well. So all in all, guys, for the $40 for this case, it's a fantastic case. I really have enjoyed using it. But I will give you my full comparison between the sheath and let you know in that video which one I like better. Do I like the Synthesis better, or do I like this sheath better? So let me know down in the comments what your opinion is. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one.